I ain't a little bit salty that the unsalted caramel doesn't have salt in it because it's salt-free, but here we go. We're going to make a bananas Foster's. Unsalted caramel, little soy sauce, brown sugar, butter, bada bing, bada boom, bada na na na. So you're going to take our pecans, a little butter, unsalted caramel, put that in the oven. Of course, some smoky honey habanero bacon in the oven as well. Slice up those bananas, pan-sear those face down inside of our soy, brown sugar, butter, and unsalted caramel sauce. Of course, once those get a nice coating, flip them over, add that black dark rum, and then flambe that sucker, get that spirit to cook off all that alcohol, and let that sauce just build. And while that's happening, you're going to take our smoky honey habanero bacon, slice and dice that up really fine, take out those pecans, do a good garnish, our Grater's bourbon pecan ice cream, because we're trying to keep it local over here. So remember, experiment with flavor, experiment with salt-free, don't be afraid of your food. Go bananas.